If you have any problem with the login on your Instagram, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys you wanna do is open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 10 seconds and disable it again. Go back and open the apps manager. Now you have to wait a few seconds right here, and after you wait a few seconds, now you have to scroll until you find Instagram. As you can see, click on it and then click on the storage. Click on clear data and click on clear cache, and then go to the data usage. Here on this page you will find all the network access. Make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are enabled, and then go back, click on the power usage details. Click on force stop, and that's it. Turn off your phone, turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.